Today I will be teaching you guys how to reach 1,000 subscribers.
Loving is easy, you have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you guys how to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I don't know if you guys knew, but recently I hit 1,000 subscribers and things that pushed me forward in my YouTube growth journey. And I definitely have a lot of valuable tips that would be super valuable to other smaller YouTubers that are trying to reach their goals. Without further ado, let's get on into the video. So first I want to share my YouTube journey story. Last year I was making videos consistently and I was uploading and I thought my content was so good, I was really proud of it. And I went to this pit stop where I was at about 176 subscribers for literally 2 months. I was gaining 1 subscriber a month and then losing another the other month. This was not a good stage to be at because I wanted to keep on growing my channel and my videos were getting 60 views and I had no idea why. So we're gonna get on to the first tip. The problem that I was facing was I wasn't communicating with people on YouTube. I wasn't sharing my videos, I wasn't talking to people, and honestly as a small YouTuber, let's say you make a video, a night routine, and your possible viewers search up night routine on YouTube. I'm being honest and I'm saying your video is not even gonna show up on the search rankings. There's literally no way to find a YouTube channel that is small on search rankings at the top 10 videos. A night routine is such a popular video that a lot of people make, so basically as a small channel it's very hard for people to find. So the trick is to comment on literally every single video you watch. I think the best target audience is people who have similar subscriber counts to you, because then they're going to go check out your channel, they like your content, they will subscribe. I'm not telling you guys to go subscribe to every single channel that has the same amount of subscribers to you, because I certainly don't like when people subscribe, they're sub for sub, or they're oh, let's support each other, because honestly, when do you support each other? But just leave a genuine comment on someone's video. Let's say their editing is bomb, go tell them that their editing is bomb. Don't be let's support each other. No one's gonna support you like that if they're leaving a comment like that. Someone who's talking about your actual video and the content of it will actually watch your videos. My second tip is get straight to the point. So on YouTube, your watch retention is really important. Let's say you make a 3-minute video and you have 100 views on it, and let's say everyone watches to the end. That is very unlikely, but let's say everyone watches to the end. YouTube will see that everyone was entertained by your video. They want people to stay on their site for as long as they can. They'll put your videos more high in the search rankings, maybe people's recommended boxes, so get straight to the point when you make videos. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm watching the video, I have a very low attention span. When there's pop-ups, they're making cuts, it's really entertaining to watch. I think that's why Emma Chamberlain is so successful on YouTube, because she really keeps her audience entertained and I love watching her. My third tip is kind of a basic one, but stay consistent. Let's say you upload your videos at 8 o'clock on Saturday. People are gonna go search up your channel on Saturday. YouTube is shady and doesn't put stuff in the subscription box. Always ask your viewers to click the notification bell, because then they just know and they'll click on the notification and see your video a lot easier. My fourth tip is thumbnails. This is the most important thing when it comes to someone clicking on your video. I don't know if this is just me, but I always look at the thumbnail before I look at the title. If your thumbnail is you mid-talking, bet you guys $10 that you guys are gonna get 4 times the amount of views that you would get with a thumbnail than without the thumbnail. A thumbnail just looks a lot more professional. I like to take my thumbnails on a Canon camera. I think they look more professional that way, and I definitely recommend you guys to do that if you guys have the resources. I like using PicMonkey to edit thumbnails. Definitely check out my thumbnail tutorial video. It'll be up there in the little eye. I teach you guys how to make thumbnails, and I think you guys definitely value from that video if you don't already make thumbnails. My fifth tip is to make longer videos. So what I like to do, let's say I'm making a what I eat in a day video. I'll search it up on YouTube. So I look at the top 5 videos that show up on the search bar and I see how long they are. So for what I eat in the day, the videos are usually 8 to 15 minutes. And I like to use that to see how long I'm gonna make my video. I think making long videos is really important, and it's definitely something I'm still working on. Most what I eat in a day are 8 to 15 minutes. I like to shoot for 10 minutes or longer than 15 minutes. I think that 10-minute mark is really good when it comes to your videos and how long they should be, but it really depends what video you're shooting. My sixth tip is to have good quality. It's so hard to afford the top cameras right now, and it's really hard to afford. I'm not telling you guys to go buy a camera. Have the best quality that you can. It's hard to make videos on an iPhone, but you can definitely make the best out of it. Try filming on your back camera. If you film on an iPhone, it definitely brings you better quality than the front camera. I'm filming on a Sony camcorder right now, and I can make the best quality out of this by using 4K. Anything that you use to film, there's definitely ways to improve your quality. My seventh tip is to set goals reasonably. Let's say you have 100 subscribers. You're not gonna set your complete goal to 2,000 or whatever. You want to steadily grow. Let's say right now I have 1,000 subscribers. I like setting a goal maybe 200 subscribers per month. okay? Well, I'll separate that into days. Today, I want to gain 10 subscribers. So I'm gonna set my goal for today on that. It's good to set yearly goals, and I definitely do that, but I think that when you narrow it down your goals to a week, a day, and you list how you're gonna do that, it's so much more helpful. But when you set your subscriber goal way too high, you're just not focusing on all the little steps to get there. And I think it's a lot easier to climb up and just get your goal if you're setting day-to-day plans. My next tip is to see what other growing YouTubers are doing. The way you do this is you have to find a channel that is growing pretty rapidly. Watch their videos and just see what they're doing in their videos, the good things that they're doing, and then you can incorporate those in your own video. I know that some YouTubers kind of just blow up and they don't use keywords. My 8th tip as a smaller YouTuber is to make more trending videos. I kind of struggle with this sometimes. I know that you want to make whatever you want to make, and that's totally fine. I think you should go for it, but let's say you have 100 subscribers. I don't think that Q&As are the best idea when you have a small following, because let's say there's a stranger, she does a Q&A, you've never seen her channel before. Are you really just gonna click on her Q&A just not knowing her? So make trendy videos that you can get discovered by. I don't think anyone's searching up on YouTube any long Q&A. People just don't care. My 10th tip is to keep your passion alive. What I'm saying is, I know it's very hard to get motivated when I'm making videos, or maybe 1 month my channel isn't growing that fast. I know it can be really hard when you're stuck in a number. As I said in the beginning of my video, just keep your passion alive. When people are watching your videos, they can tell if you're passionate or not. People can tell when you're bored with your channel, and especially if you're not posting consistently, people can see when you don't have passion for YouTube. People see through that and they're not as likely to subscribe. Just keep on working for your channel, because the people who get to the top are the people who work the hardest. So that's all the tips I have for you. I hope you guys gained value from this video and learned how to grow your own channel, because let me tell you, growing a channel is one of the hardest things ever. There are definitely some tips and tricks that really work well for me, and I hope these work well for you guys, because I definitely think that you will gain a lot of subscribers after watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely share this video with your friends. I wish you all the best on growing your channel, and I'll see you guys soon.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB.